Chapter 3 Job Interview. Chapter 3 Job Interview. Situation: Lintel, a computer chip manufacturing company, currently has a job opening in its finance department. John Miller is the first applicant to be interviewed this morning by Lintel's finance manager Mike Gates. Mike: Good morning, John. I am Mike. John: Good morning. Mike: How are you doing? John: I am doing fine. Thank you. Mike: How was the traffic coming over here? John: I am so glad that the traffic was light this morning. No traffic jam and no accidents. Mike: That is good. John: Let's start the interview. Are you ready? John: Yes, I am. Mike: First of all, let me properly introduce myself. I am the finance department manager. As you know, there is an open position in my department, and I need to fill this position as soon as possible. John: Please, tell me a little bit about the position. Mike: It is an entry-level position. The new employee will have to work closely with the accounting department. He will also have to deal with the bank on a daily basis. John: What type of qualifications do you require? Mike: I require a 4-year college degree in finance. Some working experience would be helpful. John: What kind of experience are you looking for? Mike: Doing office work is good. However, since this is an entry-level position, I do not require a lot of experience. I am willing to train the new person. John: That is great. Mike: John, tell me a little bit about yourself. 75. John: I was a student at West Coast University, and I just graduated with a bachelor degree in finance. I have been working part-time as a payroll clerk for the last 2 years. Mike: What are you looking for in a job? John: The job should help me see what finance is all about. I have learned a lot of finance theories at school, and now it is time for me to put them into practice. Mike: Anything else? John: I also hope that it will help me grow in my field. Mike: What are your strengths? Why should I hire you? John: I am a hard-working person and a fast learner. I am very eager to learn, and I get along fine with people. Mike: Okay. Now, let me ask you a few quick questions. You do not mind working long hours, do you? John: No, I do not. Mike: Can you handle pressure? John: Yes, I can. When I was going to school, I took quite a few courses each semester while working at least 20 hours every week. And I handled that situation very well. Mike: Do you still have any questions for me? John: No, I think I have a pretty good understanding of the job. I believe that I can handle it with ease, and I hope to have the opportunity to work for you. Mike: John, nice meeting you. Thank you for coming. John: Nice meeting you too. Thank you for seeing me. Expression.